Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you Siege Tower T-7703 Anomaly solution in Neverness to Everness. So first of all, we just have to keep climbing these blocks in order to move forward. If it blocks your path, then just change your way and keep moving forward in the upper direction. It will just keep generating and we have to just keep moving forward. Now I am at the top and you can see it regenerates again. So we just have to just keep going upward. Now I am at the top and we have this boss, so we have to interact here. After that, it will start a boss fight and we have to defeat this boss in order to get the item. So we have to defeat him, use your ultimate strikes, and then the boss will be defeated and you will get some rewards like phones and extra coins. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.